Hello everybody, welcome back here on my channel. My name is Boris, I come from Italy and I am a Eurovision fan. In fact, I normally in this channel upload videos about Eurovision, reactions and stuff like that, but, well, mainly reactions. Today I'm going to react. I saw the Sanremo Festival, so that this is actually not a reaction. To Italy, my home country, so obviously I don't need the translation after the listening. This is obviously not my first listening, so and considering that it's my home country, I'm not going to express if I like it or not, because at Eurovision I couldn't vote for this one, so it's pretty much the same. Let's hear Diodato with... oh, let me pronounce it, just let me pretend I'm not Italian. Let me pretend I'm English. Diodato with Rumore. Andiamo. Oh, ma che ho pensato o no?
Che non dovrei pensare.
Oh, beh, dai.
Che se poi penso sono un animale.
Play.
Se ti penso tu sei un animale. Forse questo temporale.
Okay, I want to focus on the lyrics, because I think that during Sanremo I didn't really understand or felt this song.
Ho capito che per quanto fuga torno sempre a te. Che fai rumore qui e non lo so se mi fa bene, se il tuo rumore mi conviene, ma fai rumore, sì, che non lo posso sopportare, questo silenzio innaturale tra me e te.
So is that Levante?
Me ne vado in giro senza parlare, senza un posto a cui arrivare. Consumo le mie scarpe, forse le mie scarpe sanno bene dove andare. Che mi ritrovo negli stessi posti, proprio quei posti che dovevo evitare. E faccio finta di non ricordare, e faccio finta di
I don't want to say what I think, because I want to stay, how can I say, super partes, I mean distant, because it's my own country. I obviously would love this song to win. This was not one of my favorites. I have other favorites. I had other two favorites. Yeah, this song is not bad. Yeah, this song is kinda good. I'm just sorry because I would have preferred my favorites. So basically this song is about you being depressed because you had a breakup and you suddenly hear the silence, so you wish to hear noises again, even though you know that they are not good to you, but you just can't stand the silence. Yeah, good song, obviously a good song, and let me know down in the comment your opinions about this song. Let me know if you like it or not, if it's your favorite or not, what's your top list so far. I hope you like this video, hope you enjoyed this reaction, and I don't know what else to say, so basically see you in the next video. Ciao!